Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the radio fuse and radio amp fuse are located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So first we're going to come over here to the passenger side. The fuse we're looking for our radio is in slot number 79. It's a 15 amp fuse, and that controls your radio and head unit here. We are looking for this 15 amp fuse right here, the third one up from the bottom in the third row over. So it's this 15 amp fuse right here. This is for your radio and head unit here. Your radio amp fuse is back here in the trunk. You're just going to pull on this. This will show you the slot numbers. We're looking for F23, which is this 25 amp blade fuse right there. So this 25 amp micro fuse right there is for your radio amp. I will have fuses linked down below where you can get them online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.